This may look like just another empty garage, but in just 2 days we're going to transform it into a year-round indoor aqua center. This is called an endless pool because in this pool you can swim a mile, 10 miles, or 100 miles. It's sort of like a treadmill for swimmers.
There are a lot of uses and a lot of benefits for an endless pool. You can use it for arthritis treatment, you can use it for aqua aerobics, use it for rehabilitation of joints. If you have a deeper model, you can use it for non-impact aerobics.
All of the components necessary to build this compact pool can fit through any opening that's at least 24 inches wide, so the possibilities in your home for installation locations are endless.
This pool does not have to go in the ground. It can be installed completely above ground, freestanding, such as the one that we've done here in this garage, or it can be partially installed in the ground or completely installed in the ground.
The endless pool requires a space of about 8 by 15 feet and a level floor surface that can support 200 pounds per square foot of weight. Owners can install the pool inside or outside the home. Pool assembly is relatively easy. 2 people can finish the project in 2 days with commonly used garage tools, but you might have to hire a plumber and an electrician for a half day's work. The heart of this system is a 16-inch propeller that actually mounts in this front housing. It mounts horizontally, and the current runs up through that, and it pushes the current out through this grill system, and you can see the size of the current. It's about 18 inches deep, 24 inches wide. That goes right through the middle of the pool. When it hits the back wall, it goes down into the stainless steel benches. It recirculates through these side benches all the way back up to the front, and then it goes right back through the prop and out the grill again. Very easy to adjust. There's a button on there to turn it on, and there's a knob to adjust the miles per hour for whatever speed you really want. In this garage installation, the pool walls are stabilized by installing structural channels above the walls. Lower pool edges are silicone to the surface, and the felt and liner are fitted snugly. Next, the motorized propeller and other underwater mechanisms are installed. Then it's time to install the surface current gauge, the air button, and the valve that controls the flow speed of the water. Once the basics are installed, it's time to take care of the options.
This particular pool comes with many options for coping. It can be like the one in this garage that has aluminum coping. It can have our synthetic coping option. It can have tile. It can also have a bullnose coping that you can pour concrete directly up to. There are several other options that can go with this pool.
One option is a retractable security cover. It keeps the humidity down and keeps kids safely out of danger. The cover also keeps debris and dust from falling into the pool. There are also lights, jet kits, and other safety features.
You can also have a hydrotherapy jet kit option that consists of 4 jets. And again, that pump would be turned on and off by an air switch, so there is no electric associated with the pool. It has 2 means of suction so that there is no entrapment issue.
This pool is totally modular. It's a lot smaller than a standard pool and uses a lot less water.
An ordinary backyard pool normally holds 20 or 25,000 gallons. This particular pool will hold about 1/10 that, or 2,750 gallons. A deeper model would then hold a little bit more depending on how deep the option was that you chose. This pool costs about as much to operate as a standard spa would, which is far less than any ordinary swimming pool would cost. A standard endless pool costs about 5 cents an hour to run the water quality system, and depending on how much time you are in the pool swimming, it could cost you $1 a day for the hydraulic swim current and for the electric heater.
The pool requires a lot less maintenance and is easier on the environment than a traditional pool.
This particular pool uses chlorine, or it can use another type of sanitizer. But we use what's called Nature 2 cartridge, which is a copper-silver purifier. So you use 1/10 the amount of chlorine that you would normally need in a swimming pool. As far as your ventilation goes, a simple bathroom fan will take any humidity out of the air.
Wood siding or decking can be added to give the pool an attractive finish.